The ice on the beaver ponds is melting. The sun is stronger. The weather is warmer. Even the cattails know it. Winter is over. Spring is here. The ice on the beaver ponds is melting, the water level rising, rising, rising until it spills out over and under and through the dam, long since abandoned by its beaver architects, and trickles down beneath the reeds, moving on to another pond, another moment. All through the forest the water is moving. Like a mass exodus it springs up from hiding, pushing through the ground, trickles accumulating here and there until the flow is drops becoming a stream, becoming a river. And it pushes through the earth, carving valleys between the trees, between the undergrowth. Nothing standing in its way because nothing can resist it. The water pools in flat spaces, collecting to form giant ponds, reflecting the sky, the trees, the world, a fraction of the reality, but still real enough to recognize. It's easy to get lost in these pools, reflections, pretending, like Calvin does, that in fact the reflection is reality, that you're not here, that only the trees and the sun and the sky and the puddle are real. It's easy now to imagine a world without you. The growing lakes block the path, so you're forced into the wild, pushing past trees and over rocks to get to your destination, to get to nowhere. Further on in the water, ever-present, rushes on, determined to get to wherever it is going, bubbling over pebbles and gushing through culverts, all of it everywhere, heading to the same place. Down. Never stopping to rest, it flows on into bigger and bigger streams, the frantic energy accumulating and growing, and it trips and bumps and burbles along impatiently, and if you listen you can hear it. What is it saying? It whispers, "Go, go, 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 forward." The water never stops, but you try, fighting against the stream, turning on the spot, moving to stay still. The glory is now, and why can't it see that forward is not the answer, now is. But the water doesn't know that. All the water knows is that it must keep moving forward, because gravity tells it to, because that's how it's always been. You fight the pull down, knowing you won't be happier then than you are now, that now is all you have, that you must rejoice in it, and so you do, dancing alone to the sounds of now so that you can hold off the inevitable. Fight the urge to join the stream, because really what good will it do? The stream doesn't need another drop, it has all the others, surely one can stay behind. But even as you dance you know it's futile, hopeless, you'll get pulled along too eventually. There's nothing for it, the tides of time flow in and out and catch us all in the end. Why fight it? Why fight it? Because that's what we do, because that's why we're here, because that's all we know. It's impossible to fight it, but that doesn't mean we can't try, can't ignore for a minute the reason in the back of our minds telling us it's not worth the effort. It'll come back to us in the end, so what's the harm in ignoring it? Because even though we appreciate and celebrate in the joy of this moment, in the end, we all still leave.